and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm doing a little review and try on of a couple of pairs of sunglasses that I recently got from Prism Optics. So Prism Optics is a glasses company. They are online and they sell sunglasses, sports glasses, just everyday glasses like clear lenses, like prescription glasses. Yeah, they've got some really, really nice designs on the website. So they do glasses for men and women, which is brilliant. And they do prescription or non-prescription, depending on obviously on what you want. So I chose two pairs of sunglasses and I chose them without my prescription. I went for a kind of a more glamorous pair, shall we say, and then I went for a really sort of funky pair. I love both of them, to be honest. So this is the first pair that I got. These ones are the sort of funky pair. I love them, absolutely love them. So they come presented in this really nice box. It's a very, very sturdy box. It's really nice, perfect for transporting the glasses to you because obviously they're not going to get damaged in there either. There was an outer box that they came into. And then inside the box, you get a lovely little package. So you've got your aftercare leaflet of how to look after your glasses. There's everything you need to know in there. You also get a really nice storage bag for your glasses, which is really lovely, like a drawstring. And obviously they're not going to get, you know, damaged in your handbag or car, whatever. And then there's a cleaning cloth in there as well. So this is really nice. It's really soft. So that's obviously if you're cleaning your lenses. And then there's also another case in here too, which is really cool because it opens up into this like triangular 3D design, which is absolutely brilliant. And then it's got a magnetic clasp on the front there as well to close it. And then obviously we have our glasses. So these are the first ones that I picked up. They're like I think they're kind of Christian Dior inspired, if I'm honest, but really, really nice. They've got this kind of hexagonal lens, which is really pretty. And then it's edged in this kind of like gold metal. And then the arms have got a little kind of loop, shall we say, on the arm. And then this clear coating around the arm itself for comfort. And then they have the nose pieces have got adjustable, like, you know, the ones that you can pinch. Really, really nice. And then the lenses themselves are like rainbow coloured. I absolutely love them. Really, really love them. Yeah, so this is kind of like the funkier pair that I said about, which I think are so cool. So I'll pop them on for you. There we go. Yeah, I think they're really, I love them. I really, really do. They kind of make everything look a bit multicolored, which is absolutely fine. I can imagine that they'll be quite good at blocking out the light as well. They do feel good quality lenses. And one thing I will say is the arms actually hug your head at the back quite nicely. They're like curved in at the back. They don't just sit straight. You know, and they feel really secure because of that. They don't feel like they're going to slip down my nose or anything, which is something that I often have trouble with. But yeah, I think these are beautiful. I absolutely love them. So this is the second pair that I got. These are what I would say are kind of Fendi inspired glasses. So these have got like a brown tinted lens on them. And then round, they're like cat eye design, edged again in this gold. It's a bit more gold than the other ones actually. And then on the corner of the cat eye bits, they've got this kind of metal, what looks like, you know, a bit like Fendi, kind of poking through in the front of the lens. But obviously if I flip it over, you can see it's kind of like on the back of the lens. Really beautiful. The arms are, they've just got the plastic coating on the actual tip of the arm itself. And then they've got this really cool little design on the arm itself as well, which, as I say, looks a bit like Fendi. So yeah, again, just like the other ones, they feel, you know, really decent quality, really nice. So I'll pop these on as well. Yeah, these hug quite nicely on the back of the ears as well. See, these are quite glamorous, but I love them. Love them again. Again, they do feel quite dark when they're on, so they're going to be really good at blocking out the UV light onto, you know, so they're not damaging your eyes or anything. Yeah, really, really nice. I think they're so cool. But yeah, I know this shape is a bit of an acquired taste, but I love it. So Yeah, I think they are beautiful. Really, really nice. Yeah, you can kind of see the design on this corner just kind of poking through. I'm trying to show you best I can. But yeah, it's just kind of poking through there, but I think they're so cool. Really, really nice. Yeah, for the quality and, you know, how well they're packaged for transport and everything like that, I think they are actually reasonably priced as well. These ones were around the $60 mark per pair, which I think is really, really good. What's that, about £45? Yeah, for a decent pair of glasses, I would definitely say that that's a good price. So if you are interested in having a look yourself, I'll pop the links in the description box below for you to check out. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby.